friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. If you are returning, well, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. All right, so today we're just going to do a little monthly plan with me for the month of June. I guess the pre-plan would be the right word, but for the month of June, if you can believe it. June is, gosh, my desk is dirty. June is quickly before us. And that means we're getting into the warm weather. So for all you summertime people, I'm sure you're going to be like super excited about this. I have my moments. I love in some parts, I love summer, and then in other parts I'm like, oh, hot. Depends on what I'm doing. I like summer when you can enjoy things that would make summer enjoyable, but I don't like summer when you're out walking in the heat and it's very hot. So let's try, boop. All right, so to start, I've just named that I'm going to use this yellow washi across kind of the top. I might put it on the bottom too. I don't totally know. Because I feel like yellow is a pretty summery-ish color. And, you know, it's really hot right now. So it's actually, we've had the weirdest spring ever. Like, it's been really hot for our normal springtime. And I'm not a huge fan of that. I like this. I like the 4 seasons. I like to be able to enjoy spring, winter, summer, fall. Like, I want to enjoy them all. I don't want to feel like we skipped one. And I felt like we kind of got skipped a little bit on spring. So it looks a little bit, okay, technical difficulties. Sorry about that. All right, so now the question is, should I do something else? I feel like it's kind of already got purple in it though, which purple seems like a weird summer color, but this is the Glam Girl. So that could be why. Bring my ring of washi over. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do something else or not. This is kind of like fun, but it doesn't go with purple. That's kind of where the challenge comes in. I might just... This yellow's kind of cute too. I need something that's got like a purple tip. This has got purple. But this is kind of like weird. I don't know if I want this or not. Huh. This could be cute on the bottom. I think I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to leave it attached to the to this string because I feel like it's easier than to do that. Just to add a little bit more color is why I'm doing it this way. So I was thinking about creating a Facebook group for basically any one of my subscribers, just because it's hard on YouTube for you like to share ideas with me, and I really love that. I mean, you can via comment, but not like picture. And I would really love to see some ideas from you all. And I know there's lots of Mambi Facebook groups already, but I was thinking about one just kind of for us, like just to communicate and see what you guys think. So I don't know, tell me if you think that's a good idea, and if you do, I'm going to do it. And then I'll have to find a way to get you all invited to it. Because I'll probably make it like a private group. Ah! Well, now I'm just causing myself problems. Guys, it's the season finale of American Idol tonight. I'm so excited. I love them. Okay, let me say this. I love them all. For those of you who watch American Idol. Anyways, I know it's not for everyone, but I love them all. I really am not going to be upset no matter who wins, but I'm in love with Caleb. I think he's so funny. All right. Now let's see what's in here. My husband doesn't like him though. He's too country for him. He likes Maddie. Well, he really liked the rocker, and he was like kind of devastated when the rocker got eliminated. All right, so I'm going to use the seasonal, and I'm just going to really keep it pretty clean and cut, and I might use my sticker rolls, but I'm going to use the seasonal, and I'm going to use the mini because I feel like the minis kind of fit better for the summer. And I'm going to do, even though technically the first day of summer is not listed on here, but it should be. When is the first day of summer? When is the first day of summer?
Summer begins June 21st and ends September 21st.
All right, 21st. I knew it was right around the 20th or 21st, but sometimes they change. So I wonder if there's like a first day of summer sticker in here. I love summer. Then we get back into the bunnies, so I don't think it's there. Summer fun. There's a 4th of July. I'm going to do a red, white, and blue theme for next month's theme. It's going to look like red, white, and blue thumb threw up on it is my goal. Let's see here. Alright, so I'm not seeing anything that's like too like first day of summery. I know I have it in one other book somewhere. I think I have it somewhere. I'm just making sure that there's nothing I missed in the beginning. No. But I feel like the mini just kind of fits a little bit better for the monthly overview, so you can kind of keep it yeah, okay. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because it does feel like, I just feel like June is already the start of summer. School's out, and not that I have any children in school, nor am I in school, but it just feels like it's a summery day. So I'm going to start by putting these pineapples over here. Now the mini, what's nice is that the mini is, it's mini. So I just feel like everything seems to fit so much better. And I might use that somewhere else. I feel like I want to do some layering. I'm feeling in a layery kind of mood, so I'm going to get another sticker that I really like. Alright, so this is another one of those long ones, and I'm actually just going to cut. This would go in like your whole daily section of your mini, but I'm just going to cut this little text part off, and I'm going to keep it handy because I might use it somewhere. Then I'm going to take this flamingo love over here, and I'm going to go down here. The only problem with layering is that it does cut off a little bit of your like, it cut off my date, but I can clearly, you know, like 18, 19, 20, like it's not rocket science there, people. Although I probably should put on the other side because now I have like flamingos but you know what, hey, it's colorful and it's summer. So the 21st is technically the first day of summer, so I'm just going to make a notation of that with this summer fun sticker. And the good thing is you can still write on this. Like if you want, if your days are really full and you have certain days, like Tuesdays, Bible study, whatever it might be, write on it, write it up. Write it up. I feel like I'm going to do this too. I'm just in a cutty mood today. I'm just cutting everything up. And I really never know what I'm doing. I just start doing stuff. And then if it looks good, great. If it doesn't, hey, it's only for 1 month, and like, what's the worst that can happen? You won't do it again. Alright. I'm saving anything that's red, white, and bluey for next month. And I think I'm going to do the same thing kind of over here with the same sticker, but in different reverse colors. That's the thing about summer. Bright colors are just like, what makes it fun. Alright, see, sometimes I just don't even know what I'm doing with my life, and I just, alright, so what I'm going to do over here in the corner, sorry for, like, my arm, like, reaching right across you, but I'm just going to put right here on this note part, I'm going to cover these lips with this Check It Off sticker, and these are going to be, like, monthly things I want to accomplish, for the month. And then, drum roll, please. Let's continue on. I kind of feel like I want to do this too. I'm really just in a cutty mood. I don't know what's going on with me. Okay. I want to kind of carry that flamingo theme over here. There's not really a flamingo sticker left, and I'm keeping it to one sticker book just because that's like a challenge for myself. Like, how can I do it with just one? I feel like, I don't know why, I feel like I'm like a competition with myself. And the good thing is I don't think I'm going to be too inclined to do a summer theme elsewhere in like my mini, but I can always get this sticker book again, right? They still make it, and they came out with a new seasonal, which I'm super excited to get my hands on. Alright, so I heard that flamingos are pink because they eat a lot of shrimp. Does anyone know if that's true or not? I really am not up on my animal knowledge on things. And I often believe things I read on YouTube, or on Facebook, or wherever. Not as bad as my mom, though. She'll hear it once from somebody, and she'll just think it's absolute fact. Like, there's no, oh, I'm so dumb, I could have used this one. Oh, well. There's no alternative to what that person has told her. She, like, believes it. Family game night. I'm going to put that for, gosh, if I can get the sticker off. Some of these stickers, sometimes I feel like this one. Let's take this one, for example. It did not come off that it's got a sticker on the back, but sometimes if you kind of like pick at it, you'll discover that the actual sticky part underneath it is hiding. And it's caught or something. I don't know. I've learned that because I thought that I had a bunch of defective stickers, when in reality, I was kind of partly the defective one. I don't know that that's going to be a family game night for sure, but I'm going to make it now that I put that down there. It's because it was yellow. Gotta have game night with me now, family. So for any family members that are watching, mark your calendar. Alright, let's see. Go on an epic date. I want to do that too. And if my husband doesn't get his act together, I'm going to have to go on an epic date with somebody else because we never have time to date each other. So it's all his fault. Do you hear this, honey? Are you listening? Right. I want the to-do. I like the to-do too. I might put the to-do. That blue over here. I might do this on the Wednesday. I made it crooked. I hate when I do that. So I know a lot of people that pre-plan on their monthlies have a lot, like they use their monthlies like super a lot. And I tend to be kind of more sparse on the monthlies, and it depends on what it is. But I do have some things that are important that I want to make sure are tracked for the month. So that is going to be important to start utilizing that a little bit better, because I am definitely not always the best at doing things like that, so. Alright, flamingos. I'm just going to kind of put these around where they're not intrusive, but just kind of like look like they're just perching over the months. And then I feel like I need a pineapple on this side because I have pineapples on the other side, so I don't know where I want it though. I want it down here, I know that much. I'm going to put it right here. See, and then there's still plenty of room to write. So if you do use like these boxes a lot, there's still plenty of room. I'm not taking up so much room that you can't still write stuff down. That's a misconception, people. This just looks fun. I don't know what's in here, but I want to drink it. And oftentimes the weekends are not as. Now I know I have a wedding to go to. I should probably remember what date that wedding is, but I know I have a wedding to go to. And put that right on the pineapple. Sunshine and summertime. I think this is turning out cute, even though it's got purple underneath it. I think it's turning out really cute. Although I'm probably like over decorating it a little bit because it's just so cute and I love doing it, but I also do still need some room on it and I'm kind of like getting a little cluttered, so I'll probably slow my roll here soon. So as I say that, I think I'm gonna like be done pretty much. I'm gonna check if there's anything else that I absolutely have to have on here. I don't think so though. I think that I might put this little pineapple up here too. I don't know why. I just feel like I need more pineapple. Alright, so I think I'm going to stop there so I don't get it so crazy. But this is still, for me, this is still a very functional way to decorate your monthly. It does not overcrowd it. These dates are not even used, so you're coming down here. Like Friday is like the Thursday the 1st. So you have like, Friday's the 1st. So you have 2 days of the month that are kind of got a lot going on, but you can still easily do it. And then down here, it's still easy to write on. So if you really, really write heavily, you probably would decorate less. But let me just tell you what you can do. You can decorate the months, the days that aren't used, put some washi, and then just do little stickers like this because these don't take up any room at all. So even if you don't want all the busy, it still can be done where you're decorating it and it's not like so super busy. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am ready for some summertime fun myself. Let me know what you're doing this summer. Is there anything fun going on? Virginian here. Looking for any tips, tricks, fun things. And, yeah, and let me know what you think. I really like it. I'm digging it. So I'm going to enjoy it and see how it works out for me. But more videos to come, so make sure to subscribe if you're not already and stay tuned. Have a great day.